What's going on, internet? So I want to share how I'm getting some really good detailed work out of spray paint cans just by using a stencil cap that I design and manufacture. So I'm going to share a link later on how you can get one as well. So I use this all the time to get really detailed lines. Basically, a stencil cap is something that you can put on your spray paint can and get really good details because captures a lot of the spray and only allows just a small sort of little area through. So that's what I've been creating, and the rest of it goes into this reservoir. But there's different stencil caps, but I made one that is super easy to use and easy to manufacture, so I can do this for a ton of different cans that I have. So I can make a project where I have 10 different stencil caps all on each can, but this is what I'm using to get a lot of those really good details, because it's really hard to get details out of a spray paint can. The cap that I use is the level 1 stencil cap. I use that on really large murals, but you can only get so detailed when you're working on a small piece like this. So a piece like this, even with the stencil cap, I made like this little insert that you can even get a smaller line. This is a 2mm sort of addition, as well as a nail I include with it, so that you can scrape off some of that paint that sort of builds up, because a lot will build up over time. But having access to a stencil cap, I'm able to use all the different colors in smaller canvases that I work on, as well as the larger mural pieces that I do, so that way I can use the same color palette, so I don't have to change the colors that I use on a large mural versus a small canvas. This fits on most all artist spray paint, so 94s, Belton, all those good stuff. So I will have a link in the description where you can get it on my store, Detour Art Tools, and then I'll keep improving and making some more videos of the different tools that I make and create. All right, peace.